Negotiators for a deal on a renovated Everbank Stadium are hoping to present City Council with a tentative agreement in early May. Now, this from our news partners at the Florida Times-Union. According to the timeline provided under this plan, the Jags would play at Everbank Stadium during the 2024 and 2025 seasons, but the 2026 season remains in question. Mike Weinstein, the city's lead negotiator, says how long the team plays here will depend on construction issues that haven't yet been decided. Once the tentative agreement is presented in May, the City Council can then take all the time it needs to review it.